I wish to emphasize that government, through the adoption of the medium-term development plan, has mandated us to see to the full realization of 3 priorities encapsulated in this program, and as aligned to the provincial growth and development strategy recently adopted in 2026. These are the following: to drive inclusive growth and create jobs. Number 2, to reduce poverty and tackle high cost of living. Number 3, to build a capable, ethical, and developmental state. As a result, we are duty-bound to evaluate respective departments and their executives in adhering to this mandate. Therefore, in terms of Section 132, subsection 1 and 2 of the Constitution, the Premier has the executive powers to make changes and strengthen the work of governance, including the implementation of these objectives. And having assessed the performance of various departments, I've taken a decision to make the following changes in the executive. MEC Vessels Morweng, who used to be the MEC for transport, will now become the new MEC for arts, culture, sports, and recreation. MEC Virginia Tlapi, who used to be the MEC who's responsible for arts, sports, and culture, will now be the new MEC responsible for transport. I've spoken to the Speaker of the Legislature, Dr. Sibonda Sammashone Desbomohono, that she must accept to become the new MEC for education in this province. So she has agreed. I've appointed Desbomohono to be the new MEC for education.